Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Welcome to my crazy big black family. And first off, let me just say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for tuning into this vlog. And thank you for pressing the click button to view this video. We appreciate it so much. Good looking out. This is a nice little morning vlog, guys. Welcome and good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday again, like I said. Just a little fresh start for you, family. And again, I have to take the time and just say appreciation and thanks is first foremost for you guys, because we are so appreciative. We've been having so many new subscribers daily, so many new subscribers on the daily that I feel the need to keep stressing how appreciative and thankful we are. So I just want to say, send a special thanks to you guys. Forgive me, I don't have my glasses on right now. I can't find them. I got two pairs of glasses missing right now, and I'm like, where in the heck is my glasses? I gotta get up and look for my glasses. But however, I said let me do a nice little morning vlog, guys, to, like I said, welcome you to my Christmas moment. Get the feel of and decorating on a dime. I literally got these from the Dollar Tree. Nice little Santa heads, nice little the little Christmas ornament, pretty, you know, the nice little, got the little glitter on it, shining bright and back of me. Then I got my nice little other ornament right there. Just trying to welcome you guys to a nice little morning Christmas vibe going on here, and a nice little sensation to start your day off to get ready for this week. I am going to be chilling today. I'm actually going to be going get me probably, if maybe, I'm not sure, but I was just speaking about that because for those who are new to this channel, because Vlogmas is coming up, and if you're not familiar with Vlogmas, this is an everyday vlogging until Christmas. Like, you just vlog every day. And we did it last year, and we actually liked it a lot, so I'm gonna be doing that again. This year, and last year when we did it, we liked it so much I did us a little playlist of Vlogmas, so go watch our Vlogmas videos. We have several Vlogmas videos, and all of our channels, actually most of them had did some Vlogmas, so go check out our different channels and see the different Vlogmas videos that we have. And like I said, it's just like vlogging every day of your preparation and the things you do in preparation, and, you know, for Christmas. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to save some things for Vlogmas, but, you know, things like this, which is decor, and just to get the Christmas feel and the Christmas spirit and lift you up, I figure I'll give you this and give you a nice little woo, morning. Howdy doody time. I figure if you was sleeping, you ain't sleeping now, honey. You woke. But yeah, I'm having my little cup of coffee, sitting in front of the computer right now, listening to the morning, you might hear in the background, the morning local news, which I like to listen to and see what's going on with the world. Some people don't really care for the news, but I just like to stay informed of, you know, that's just what I do. And I'm looking at my analytics and algorithm and checking my email, my business email, make sure if any sales came through, checking my regular email just to see what's going on there, and said, let me do me a vlog just to start my day off and make myself feel good and have an amazing day and start somebody else's day off and hopefully make them feel good. You know, if somebody wake up this morning and need to hear that nice inspiring word, go ahead and click on this video. Click. And if my eyes look a little ching, a little chingy. Hey, I'll dot, like I do on my videos. Dot, you fill in the rest. But no, sir, guys, I'm just bugging right now. I was actually intrigued on what the weather is today. I'm not sure. Oh, actually, yeah. By the way, now that I'm talking about it, they said, yeah, the rest of this week is going to be crazy cold. Except for Thursday and Friday, it's going to be back a little warm. And then after Friday, it's going to be back cold again. Today's supposed to be, you're going to barely get in the 40s. Welcome to Massachusetts. All day long. Welcome to Mass. Because this is where you can, boop, like my edits, boop, and change things just that easy. You don't like the weather today? Wait till tomorrow. Well, unlikely though, because this week is going to be more of the same. And more in the same, which is going to be cold. Which what we're normally used to when you come to this state around this time. We usually be having snow right now. Snow and cold weather is the normal vibe in Massachusetts right now. But because of global warming, somebody be like, there ain't no such thing. Well, because of climate change, you got summer confused with fall, fall confused with spring, and spring confused with winter. Where they do that at? Oh, right here in Massachusetts. And probably actually all over the world because, again, climate change. Things haven't changed. Yeah, it's obviously a real thing because you can't predict the weather anywhere now. Things where it was always warm, those places that we've always been like, oh, I want to go there because it's so warm. Well, not now. Those places are even cold. So, shout out to my business. I don't want to toot my own horn, but yeah, all day long I wear mines. Boop, boop. I created and crafted this Successful Wear LLC. Black owned, buying the black. Happy and Merry Christmas to be soon. But yeah, guys, good morning to you guys. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching our channel because this is the family channel. This is a family content. And though we have several other channels, this, however, is our main channel, which is our family channel. My Crazy Big Black Family right here on YouTube. Get subscribed. Welcome, happy Tuesday, and we'll catch you guys later in the day. Hope you have an amazing day today. Hope you go with, the best wishes and the best blessings for today. And that, don't let the small things get to you. They say don't sweat the small things. You want to live longer, hopefully? Don't sweat the small things. Be happy. Be thankful. Be blessed. Be blissful. Because it's the season for bliss and happy season for greetings and thankfulness and blessings. So why not be happy today, guys? Mwah. Thanks for watching this video, my Crazy Big Black Family, guys. Don't forget, before you leave this channel, and get subscribed. Bye.